He was in this area the whole time, just submerged. Ooh. Yeah, that's a big boy. Okay guys, just arrived at Arabie Dam. I'm impressed. It looks promising. I just saw a fucking massive croc somewhere down there in the still water, so he'll be hanging around in that little lagoon, if you can call it that. We got our first little fish of the day on the bonito bug. Well, not little. Our friend is back. He was in this area the whole time, just submerged. Ooh. Yeah, that's a big boy.
Cause you make me feel like I'm alive again.
This is pretty shallow. It's not very deep. My Rapala is diving too deep for that. I can even show you. Look at this by hitting all the rocks. See all the wear and tear on it. Hitting the rocks.
Under this pressure, under this weight, we are diamonds taking shape. We are diamonds taking shape.